Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can find free fonts for personal and commercial use, and then how you can upload those fonts to Canva so you can use them in your graphic designs for your blog or your business. So I'm going to show you first how I find, download, and install a new font, and then I'll show you how to upload it to Canva. But this resource that I have pulled up here, Blog Pixie, is one of my favorite resources to go to for free fonts. I'm building up a collection on my Pinterest of different fonts that you can use that are also free. So be sure to be checking my Pinterest for updates as I find more resources. But this is one of my favorites, and I have several of the fonts that are listed here on Vanessa's blog, but I'll show you the different fonts that are available from this resource. So she has several listed here. And I actually already have several of these fonts. I use the Frutilis font in all of my Pinterest graphics. I use the Quentin one as my header on my blog page, and then there are a few others like the Sacramento, and there's a couple of the Amberella I also have for different designs. But I'm going to grab a new one today because I'm looking to change some of my graphics up a bit. So we are just going to go ahead and pick a font. So when you see these fonts here, you can't click on these, but you can click on the ones that are below, and I'll show you that in just a second. So I think we're going to go with, let's go with this EcoSmith. So I know which one I want. I'm going to scroll down to where she has the links to all the different fonts here. So when you select your font, you're just going to click on that link, and it's going to open up a new page in your browser, and then that will take you directly to where you can download the font of your choice. So these are just a few different examples of what the font looks like. So if you're someone who is doing some sort of product design and you want to put the font on your product, you can use these fonts for that. And if you're someone who has a blog or a business and you want to use them for your website or for some different graphic designs, you can obviously use them there as well. So we're just going to scroll down past all of these different examples to where it says download. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to open up another new browser where you can actually download the font itself. So it's going to download a zip file. And once that downloads, you're going to want to unzip the file, and I'll show you how that works here in a second. So if you're using Google Chrome, it'll pop up down here. You can also select from your download folder, but Chrome makes it nice and easy. So that's going to open up into Finder, and you're going to see your font here. So you're going to want to click this little file, and you're going to see it right here. Once you click on that, it's going to pop up here, and you're just going to want to install it. And then it's going to open right there for you. So you can see here all the other fonts that I've downloaded and installed onto my computer. But the newest one that I just downloaded is right here. So once it's installed into your computer, you can go ahead and really use that anywhere. But today we're going to be using that in Canva. So I already have a new design opened up. I just clicked on a template that I wanted to play around with. So I already have my text written out here. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to open all of the different fonts here. So when you go to upload a new font, you're going to click this button right here, upload your own font. You can also do this without opening a new design. And in Canva, there's a little tab here that says your brand, and then that will allow you to do the same thing. So you can do it from a design, or you can do it from just the home page in Canva. You do have to have a paid membership, I believe, to be able to upload fonts. But if you're using Canva for your blog or your business, I really, really recommend getting a paid subscription for that. So you're going to want to find where this font is here in your document. So I did download this new Nick Ainley one today as well, but we're going to open the EcoSmith script and click on that and just click open. And it's going to ask you here if you own this font or you have the right to use it. Because this is free for commercial use, we're going to check this because we do have the right to use it, and then we're going to upload it. All right, once that's uploaded, you are free to get creative with your new font. So, all right, now I'm going to go in and change this font. So I'm going to go up here into the corner, and you'll see the new font has showed up right here. And that's really all there is to it. Anytime you want to upload a font, if you're in the middle of designing something, you might have to go back to your dashboard and then reopen the design just to give the font a little bit of time to show up. But it's pretty easy as long as you have a good resource that you can use to find a new font. It's super simple to upload those new fonts to Canva and then start using them in your new design. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for new tutorials that you'd like to see here using Canva or other sort of programs and tools that I like to use for my blog and my business, please just let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.